on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you chicken with mushroom. It's very tasty and very delicious dish. If you haven't tried it, please try it and you're going to like it. I have a boneless, skinless chicken thighs. These are frozen. I'm going to put it in the cold water. Once the ice is gone, then I'm going to cut into smaller pieces. This is how the chicken thighs look. So I'm going to use a 2-pound chicken thighs, 12-ounce organic mushroom. You can use any mushroom, any color. I'm using white mushroom. 3 green chilies, 1-inch ginger, and big garlic cloves, 6 of these. 2 potatoes, 2 tomatoes, olive oil for our tadka, and half cup tomato sauce, 1 onion, and spices from my masala dabba. Chicken thighs, and I cut into small, good sized pieces. Green chili, garlic, ginger cut into small pieces. Potato is cut and put in cold water so they don't get discolored. Mushroom is cut. Tomato, onion, they also cut. So let's start making our delicious chicken mushroom curry. Get a karahi, and I'm going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. And I'll bring 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seed. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring garlic and ginger. We're going to cook our ginger, garlic at 20 seconds. We need a garlicky flavor to go away. Then I'll bring onion. Mix it well. We're going to saute our onion, cooking our onion for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to bring the green chili. Mix it well. We're going to cook until it's nicely brown. So keep moving, keep stirring, so it won't get burned. Our tadka, onion is nicely cooked, it's nicely brown. And now I'm going to bring the tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to bring the gas on a medium, cover with the lid. We're going to cook for 3 minutes so that the tomatoes can get tender. Cooking for 3 minutes. Mix it well. And if we mash it, the tomatoes are tender. So keep mashing. This is looking good. I'll bring salt, 1 teaspoon, and mix it well. I'll bring the meat. And I'm going to cook the meat with tadka, and I'll bring the gas to high. Mix it well. Keep mixing, and we're going to cook meat for 5 minutes. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. We already added the salt. Bring cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. This is strictly optional, Kashmiri mirch. If you don't have it, then skip it. 1 teaspoon. That's going to bring nice color. Tomato sauce, half can. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, all the spices and tomato sauce, we're going to cook additional 5 minutes with open lid and keep stirring occasionally so it won't get burned. So every minute or so, keep stirring just like this. The chicken takes longer to cook, so that's one of the reasons I wanted to cook 10 minutes before we add our vegetables. Altogether, cooking our chicken thighs for 10 minutes. I'm going to bring the gas to medium, and I'll bring mushroom, I drain the water, and I'll bring the potatoes, and mix it well. If you haven't tried this combination, please try it. If you want to make it running gravy, you can add 1 cup water, but I'm going to keep it this way. Once it's nicely incorporated with the chicken and all the masala, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it, I'm going to stir it. After 15 minutes, I'm going to share with you. All together cooking for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, I opened it and I stir it. Mix it. potatoes, they are nicely cooked. The chicken is nicely cooked. We cook chicken altogether 25 minutes. 10 minutes with the tadka and 15 minutes with vegetables. It's nicely cooked. We can dish out as is. If you're looking for more running gravy, you can add 1 cup water or you can use this much gravy. I'm going to cook on medium gas with the open lid until the gravy gets more thickened. And now I'm going to bring 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. That's going to bring a nice flavor to our dish. Mix it well. Cooking for additional 2 minutes. The chicken gravy is thickened. I'm going to give 1 more minute before I will dish out. And look at this. There is no more water content. So this is perfectly done. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready. I'm going to dish out. If you haven't tried chicken with the potatoes and mushroom, you must try it. This is super delicious. And many people do ask me how we serve this dish. You can eat with rice pulao, roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, puris. It suits well with everything. So please try it. Let me share with you. Our delicious chicken with mushroom potato is all ready and it's a super delicious. Please try it. And if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.